In the month of March, our property inspection journey took us across several locations. The Sapphire Water City, at the heart of the bubbling Ikorodu, Jasper Smart City at the center of the lushy green land of Isheri, site office opening at our Sadios Farm City, Ekpe, and the prestigious burial beachfront, Ibeju Lekki. We had land allocations, massive sales, and mouth-watering discounts. Next in line, come Thursday 4th of April, is the train and road trip to our burial golf estate, Ibadan. White House Estate, Moniya, Ibadan. It promises to be adventurous. It promises to be mind-blowing. For further information, contact the phone numbers on your screen.